girls. I don't know where to start really. I caught a video on the Queen Bee boutique a couple of days ago, and I can absolutely 100% tell you I have got complete FOMO. There has been some amazing deliveries while I've been away, and Tara did a great job of dangling just that carrot in front of me, and I'm thinking, oh my God, I need to be home to have some of those pieces in my wardrobe. And she did a great job of showing you around the boutique. Paul and I, oh God, I don't know when we left the UK, a number of days, possibly weeks ago now. We really needed some time out and some escapism, and I can tell you that's exactly what we have been doing. We jumped on a flight to Barbados, we picked up a cruise ship, and since however many days ago that was, we have sailed thousands and thousands of nautical miles. We've had days and days at sea, so much so we haven't even known what day it was. We both feel fully refreshed. It has been just what we needed. So I thought, do you know what? Anything Tara can do, I can have a go as well. And I thought I'd show you around the cabin. I can't show you around the boutique, but I thought I'd show you around the cabin. No better place to start than my wardrobe. Packing for a cruise is always a tricky one. I've got 15 wardrobes of clothes at home, and this is literally all we've got here. Now, I bags-eyed these two and most of this one, and Paul stuck in the corner over here. And in here, I've got some bespoke pieces, which I'm privileged in the position that I am, that I get to choose some bits that are just for me. One of the pieces that I've got on is a bespoke piece for me. I've got some amazing new pieces that I think may still be in the boutique that I've worn lots of times during this voyage. And I've also got some what I'd call vintage pieces as well, that I've had for over 10 years. So let's open the wardrobe. In fact, I have been named Lion the Bitch in the wardrobe while I've been on this trip. One night I did end up in the bottom. So what have we got? Some short pieces. I've got the shorts to go with this. My shorts are over here. I've got shorts, striped shorts, white shorts, pattern shorts. Betty Basics, love this print. I've got the trousers, the shorts and the top on this one. You've probably seen me in this one because we did send some photographs back of that. That has been fantastic. On a cruise, you have to dress for the evening as well. So I've bought some amazing new pieces out with me. I wore this, I think the first week, maybe one of the first couple of nights. Loved that. This one, another new piece this season, absolutely loved that too. Very comfortable to wear. And this, I think, the money is probably one of my favourites. It's a Carla Away. There's not many left in the boutique, but it is so fabulous. I have asked Carla to recut it, and we've got this coming back in. I think this was something like £219 or less. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I haven't got any photographs of me in any of this stuff because I just wanted a complete break from the business, from what we do day in, day out. But I was a little bit envious when Tara did the swoop around the boutique, hence the swoop around the cabin. I am just going to end on a note of where's all the shoes? I've had to invent my own shoe closet shelf here. One pair of trainers I've worn lots and lots. This one pair of trainer I vowed to go to the gym every day, and these haven't moved. I put them there when I arrived and they're still there. They've not been on my feet. Perspex shoes are the way forward. I've got lots of heels up here, and they are all Perspex because they're super comfortable. This pair by no means is definitely the best shoe. I think they're called Maud. We've got them in gold and silver. This pair is from last year, and they still come on every holiday with me. Dress up, dress down, loving life. So if you want a little bit of cruise wardrobe or any holiday wardrobe, Maud would definitely be the shoe to have. Anyway, girls, look, let's have a look out here. Let's have a look. This is what I've been waking up to every morning. I'm not going to open the door because it's probably blowing a gale out there. I'm not quite sure what sea we're in. We're definitely not in the Caribbean Sea.
Atlantic.
Are we we're not in the Med now?
No, North Atlantic.
North Atlantic, so it is going to be blowing a gale out there. Are we going to hit the Med? I'm not sure if we are we? We're coming up and over. Next stop is Spain, next stop is Southampton, all the way from Barbados. Catch you in the boutique next week. Bye, girls.